In a lively meadow, the ants scurried around, diligently collecting food and storing it for the upcoming winter, working hard gathering and keeping it safe for safe future. There was a carefree grasshopper played his fiddle and enjoyed the warm days without a worry. The grasshopper seen singing and hopping around. As days turned into weeks, the ants grew concerned about the friend grasshopper lack of preparation. The ants approached Grasshopper and shared their worries about the approaching winter. But Grasshopper didn't care about the ants' advice. Winter arrived, and the once lively meadow turned cold and covered in snow. Cold days stretched on. The grasshopper found himself hungry, cold and shivering. Feels bad for not listening to ants' advice. Ants were warm and were able to stay safe by consuming stored food that they gathered throughout the summer. With desperation, the grasshopper approached the ants' nest seeking help and knocks the door. Despite his earlier disregard for their advice, the ants showed kindness and compassion and shares some food to keep Grasshopper warm. As Grasshopper shared their food, he realized the value of hard work and planning ahead, and decides to work hard with ants during summer. The grasshopper learned that hard work today prepares us for tomorrow's challenges. Summer arrived. The meadow turned green again.